What if I told you the fastest way to win a swimming race isn't even swimming? The world's top athletes are using a hidden underwater move that gives them an unbeatable edge. And today, we're revealing how you can master it too. Welcome to Swim Inspire, where champions are made stroke by stroke. Let's dive in. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more swimming inspiration every week. The dolphin kick is often called the fifth stroke. While freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke, and butterfly dominate the pool, this underwater motion has quietly rewritten the rules of speed. Olympic champions, world record holders, and elite swimmers all rely on the dolphin kick to gain those crucial extra meters off the start and each wall. But why is it so effective? The secret lies in the science of movement. When a swimmer pushes off the wall or launches from the starting block, they're at their fastest point. Momentum is at its peak. Instead of immediately breaking the surface, where resistance from waves and drag slows the body down, swimmers stay streamlined and unleash the dolphin kick underwater. The body undulates in a wave-like motion, moving fluidly from the chest down to the legs, creating a rhythm that mimics the powerful movements of marine animals. It's not just swimming, it's harnessing the physics of water to glide faster than ever before. Research has shown that underwater dolphin kicking can be significantly faster than surface swimming. In fact, many races are won or lost in these hidden moments beneath the surface. Phelps, Caeleb Dressel, and other greats have mastered this art, giving them an advantage that competitors can't afford to ignore. But the dolphin kick isn't just about raw power, it's about timing, precision, and body control. To execute it perfectly, the swimmer must maintain a tight streamline, arms locked overhead, and core engaged. The motion starts from the chest, flows through the hips, and whips down to the feet in a continuous wave. It's a full-body movement where every muscle plays a role, especially the core and legs. The smaller and tighter the kick, the faster and more efficient it becomes. Too big, and it creates drag. Too shallow, and it loses power. Finding that balance is what separates good swimmers from great ones. But there's another layer to this story: rules and regulations. The underwater dolphin kick is so powerful that governing bodies had to step in. Swimmers are allowed to travel only up to 15 meters underwater after the start and each turn. Why? Because without limits, races could turn into underwater contests where the fastest kicker, not the fastest swimmer, always wins. This rule keeps the playing field fair, but within those 15 meters, mastery of the dolphin kick remains the ultimate weapon. Beyond racing, the dolphin kick has huge benefits for training. It builds explosive leg strength, improves core stability, and teaches swimmers how to stay connected from head to toe. It's also a cardio challenge, forcing athletes to control their breathing and push their endurance to the limit. Many top-level swimmers spend hours perfecting their dolphin kick because shaving even a fraction of a second off each turn can add up to victory. And here's something fascinating. The dolphin kick isn't just for butterfly specialists. Freestylers, backstrokers, and even breaststrokers use it strategically. Off every wall, a strong dolphin kick can give them the momentum to surge ahead. For many swimmers, it's the difference between hitting the podium or missing it by inches. So what can we learn from this secret weapon? Whether you're a beginner or chasing elite performance, mastering the dolphin kick is a must. Start small, practice short sets underwater, focus on tight form, and build strength in your core and legs. As you improve, you'll notice smoother turns, faster push-offs, and a new level of confidence in the water. The dolphin kick is more than just a technique. It's a symbol of evolution in swimming, a reminder that innovation, precision, and mastery can change the game. And while the crowd cheers for the sprint on the surface, the real race often happens where nobody's watching, beneath the waves, in those hidden seconds where champions are made. So next time you dive in, remember this: the dolphin kick isn't just a move. It's a secret every swimmer must know.